In this video, we're going to talk about how to fix the Google Drive zipping file stuck issue that many users face while downloading large or multiple files. When Google Drive prepares files for download, it first compresses them into a zip, and this process depends heavily on browser performance, file size, and internet stability. If the zip seems stuck, the first thing to check is whether your browser and system are updated, as outdated versions often cause background processing issues. Large file sizes or too many files can also overwhelm the service, so splitting downloads into smaller batches usually helps. A slow or unstable internet connection can interrupt the zipping process, so using a stable network is important. Restarting your browser or device can clear temporary glitches, and placing files into a single folder can simplify the task for Google Drive. Clearing browser cache, disabling extensions, or trying a different browser often resolves conflicts that stop zipping. If nothing works, contacting Google Drive support is the safest option, as they can guide you based on your account and file limits. Subscribe for more quick fixes and honest tech tips that save your time every day.